So we're beginning our camera line for the new Buckle location in Arbison Mall. I've taken pictures and you'll see there are 2 bathrooms, with the grand total of 2 toilets, 2 sinks, and a drinking fountain. The clean out is located behind the right hand side of the women's toilet, and this is peeking in through the clean out. I just put the camera straight in and we're about to go down. There's cobwebs in there because it looks like it's never had anything go through it before, so I may have to clean my camera head here before we get to going completely. There is a lot of black sludge here at the beginning, and it's preventing me from getting a good visual of what's going on down there. The reason why there's black sludge here is apparently this part of the pipe has never had anything but old backup get to it. It's not even cleanable right now. As you can hear, I'm flushing the toilet and you can't even see the tie-in yet. So what I'm coming up against is just corrosion and buildup over time from nothing being in this line, other than backups. pause recording until I get success here. Alright, so I am not having any success getting down into the rest of the drain. You see all this black sludge here is built up over time, and I cannot get my camera past it. So we are going to need to have this line jetted before I can give you an accurate camera. Alright? And that is all for today.